Hey guys, in this video we're going to talk about how you can check Swift code of Chase Bank. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. What is the need of Swift code of Chase Bank? If you're making an international transfer of Chase Bank account, or if someone is transferring your cash to your Chase Bank account in the United States, you will be asked for a BIC Swift code along with the details like bank address. However, using traditional banks to send money abroad can be slow and expensive. Note that the Swift code for each account type varies, so make sure to ask Chase Bank Help Center team to tell you your account Swift code along with your account type. But basically, the Swift code or BIC code for Chase Bank is CHESU and so on. However, as previously mentioned, Chase Bank uses different Swift or BIC codes for different type of banking services it offers. If you're not sure which code you should use, check with your bank recipient or with the bank directory. So this is how you can check Swift code of Chase Bank. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. I'll be waiting in the next one. See you soon. Bye.